The first thing I changed to finally lose weight after 40 was not a diet. It was almost the opposite. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the exact order I followed because the order is the part almost everyone gets wrong. And if you have been piling on plans, a new workout, a new supplement, a new protocol, and wondering why none of it sticks, please hear me. It is not you. You are trying to build on a foundation that hasn't settled yet. Here is what I see women do and what I did at first too. We start at the end. We jump straight to the training hard, cutting calories, optimizing biohacking, the early morning routines, the longevity stock. We saw someone post online. We pick the hardest, the most demanding thing, and we throw ourselves at it because we think effort is the answer. And when it doesn't work, we decide the problem must be us. But here is what we miss. The body we are asking to perform is already depleted. It's already running on broken sleep, on stress that never fully switches off, on years of doing too much for everyone else. Asking a body in that state to suddenly train hard and eat less is like flowing the accelerator on an empty tank. It does not go faster, it just burns out. And then we blame the engine. Most women start with training and cutting calories while their body is still depleted. That's backwards. And that was me. I was tired. And my answer was to push harder. Early morning routines, more restriction, more discipline. And the scales did not just refuse to move, I felt worse. For a long time, I thought I needed more discipline. I didn't. I was adding load to a system that was already overwhelmed. So I did the thing that felt counterintuitive. Almost lazy, I stopped adding and I started taking away. This is the order I actually follow. So let me give you the real sequence. The one that actually worked. The order I did it. Step one was removing and drinking more water. I took out the things that were quietly draining me. The constant grazing, the things I reached for just to push through the afternoon. I'm not going to hand you a rigid list because yours will look different from mine. But if you are honest, you already know the one or two things that aren't serving you. Start there. And the water sound almost too basic to mention, right? But so much of what we feel as hunger or that 3 p.m. crash is simply a body that is under-resourced. This is the step everyone skips because it feels too simple or too small to account. It is not. It is the ground everything else stands on. I did not add a plan. I took things away and I drank more water. That was step one. Once things felt a little calmer, did I move to step two, adding whole food. And notice the order. I removed before I added. Almost every health plans start here by piling a new diet on top of a body that is still overwhelmed. I waited until there was room, then I brought in real food my body actually could use. Not a meal plan, not rules, just food that wasn't working against me. Step 3 was supplements, and only then to fill the genuine gap, not to rescue anything. Supplement are the seasoning, not the meal. If you start there, you are decorating a house that doesn't have a foundation yet. Step 4 was training, and this is the one that surprises people. Movement came in later, and on purpose. I waited until I had the energy to recover from it. Because exercise is a stressor too. A depleted body does not get stronger from it just gets more depleted. Once there was fuel in the tank, movement finally started building me up instead of breaking me down. And step 5, all the longevity routines, the optimization, the advanced protocols I always wanted to begin with, they came in last. Only once I was stable and genuinely healing. Those things are wonderful when your foundation can hold them. They are just noise when it cannot. You heal first, you optimize later, never the other way around. Remove, stabilize, then expand. That is the order. Every time I see someone stuck in their weight loss journey, they are trying to do step 4 or step 5 while they are skipping step 1. I have put the exact order into a free guide. By the way, it is linked in the description and I will point you to it at the end. So if you take one thing from this, do not go adding something. Take something away and drink more water. That is your whole job this week. Pick the one thing you already know is working against you. You do not need a list. Just the first one thing that came to mind. Remove it and hydrate. Let your body feel the relief of less before you ask it for more. And I want to be honest with you about the hard part. Doing less can feel like you are not doing enough. You are so used to measuring effort that removing something can feel like cheating or like giving up. It is not. For a depleted body, subtraction is the work. Holding that one change steadily for a week will do more than any plan you will add pile on top. Do not add anything this week. Move one thing, drink more water, and let your body feel the relief of less. I started where I felt I had the least to give. That turned out to be exactly the right place to start. For years, I thought weight loss and healing would come from doing more, being more disciplined, finally getting it together. It came from the opposite, from letting my body off the hook long enough to actually recover. And the weight, it shifted, not because I was eating less or trying harder. When the inflammation came down, when my body stopped spending everything it had just to manage the load, it began to let go. My healing and my weight loss happened in parallel, but the main weight loss came after the healing was established. The body does not release what it is holding until it feels safe enough to let go. So hear this, you are not behind, you are not lazy, and you have not failed. You have just been handed the steps in the wrong order, told to optimize a body that first needed to heal, and let the rest come when your body is ready for it. It will. In this exact order, remove, stabilize, and expand, I have put it into a free guide you can actually follow, the Metabolic Recovery Framework. It is linked below. Start with stage 1, remove. And if you want the full picture of why your body changes after 40 in the first place, watch this week's main video. It is the why behind everything I just walk you through. I will see you there.